So how can you get your manufacturing business online? So let's say you have a manufacturing unit and you want to start selling online. What do? Here's what you want to do. First, you want to do some market research. You want to see that where and how do your kind of products really sell in the market. Where are people selling these products? Are they selling them under some brand name? Are they selling them on Amazon, Google? Are they selling them through Google Ads? Are they selling them, let's say, on Myntra? And then how are they selling it? Are they selling it using Facebook ads, Google ads? Are they doing Instagram reels? So first you want to identify that where are your products selling or your kind of products selling, and how are your kind of products selling. Once you identify that, you simply want to just model what other people are doing. You want to build a store. So let's say that you identify that your products are, people are selling your products under some random brand names of theirs and running Facebook ads. So what you would do is you would get the product photography done. You would build a Shopify store yourself or outsource it. Then you would run Facebook ads. And that's it. And to figure out how to ship, you can tie up with a shipping aggregator like ShipRocket or Nimbus Post, and continue taking your business forward from there.